Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I brought very simple and easy lines about Mahatma Gandhi for very small kids. Good morning everyone. This is Siddhika and I am going to speak few lines about Gandhiji. Gandhiji is known as the father of the nation. He was born on 2nd October in 1869. His parents were Karamchand Gandhi and Putli Bai. He was married to Kasturbai Makhanji Kapadia. People called him Bapu with love. He led a very simple life. He was a great leader also. He was kind-hearted and truth-loving person. He believed in peace and non-violence. He worked for the humanity. He was the man of simple living and high thinking. Mahatma Gandhi said, cleanliness is important for all of us. He spent his entire life for the freedom of the country. We all should follow Gandhiji's teachings. Thank you. Have a nice day.